Hi, ladies. I just wanted to go over this Google Doc with you that I quickly created to provide some guidance on addressing the LGBTQ mandate. I will share this document with you, and you feel free to share this document with your teachers as well. So at the top, I just provided an overview of the law. Under there is just a little blurb reminding you that we need the actual language LGBTQ and disabilities to be in our curriculum units so that when we need to create a report for the auditor, that it's very easy to prove to them that we meet this mandate when we run the report. So that's just a little thing to keep in the back of your mind to remember. We need to actually use that language, LGBTQ and peoples with disabilities. There's an essential question there that we can use. Also, I put a few enduring understandings that we might want to use in one or two units of each curriculum. Again, it doesn't have to be in every unit. Let's not force it, okay? It doesn't have to be in every curriculum document, all right? Ideally, yes. Would we like it to be in one unit for each English level, each history level curriculum, each science? Yes. But again, we want it to be a natural fit. We don't want it to be forced. What I noticed looking at the curriculum documents of other districts, they're addressing the mandate by providing resources and materials that they're referring to in stage 3 of their unit plan. So with that being said, don't get hung up with having to, have all these essential questions and standards and enduring understandings that relate to LGBTQ when we're fine. If we just have our resources and materials that address the mandate, we'll be fine. I mean, I really do like including the enduring understandings and essential question. I know Teresa and Jess, you added the standard. Awesome. I think that covers all bases. But like I said, don't kill yourself trying to come up with enduring understandings to fit the mandate because it's really hard. I provided some awesome resources right here to give some ideas to teachers for lesson planning and activities to meet this need. Also, some great tips for addressing the inclusivity of LGBTQ. And then I created a chart which I thought that either you could copy or you could share this document with your teachers and just ask them to start looking at their curriculum documents and auditing them and thinking about, where are the gaps? Do we teach James Baldwin and Audre Lorde? I mean, those are the two authors that come to mind right away when I think about LGBTQ. Persons with disabilities. Are there stories that we teach that address characters with persons with disabilities? Let's put those in there. History, math, science, world language. Again, if we have gaps, that's fine, but let's make sure we are aware of the gaps going into, let's say, the middle of next year so we can address those gaps before, September of 2021, okay, which is when our audit will be. But I think just getting teachers talking and looking at the charts and thinking about auditing their curriculum, even before, the redesign process, I think is very powerful, right? So if we have our teachers look at their curriculum, maybe then come together and talk about the gaps or what they'd like to add, and then make those notations so that when they go to create the units in Rubicon, they have those notes and they can put those resources and materials in there when they redesign their curriculum. It's ongoing. But I think this is a great place to start. All right. So history and English, definitely let's start the process. Let's start, planting the seed of having our teachers reflecting on their curriculum, auditing their curriculum, and then we'll be ready. So when we start that redesign process in the fall, we're ready to go. All right. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day. Enjoy your summer.